What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Beef and BArnzy channel. Today, we have a review of the new big, high-end, super strong global ball Viking Conquest. What we're going to see out of this one? Well, I think it is going to fit between Iron Max and between Alpha Crux. I think it's going to be a pretty strong ball, but I think you're going to see a little bit more motion down the lane out of it. I think it's going to be a step up from a Equinox Solid. Hard to describe whether it's going to be similar to the Reality. I feel like it's probably going to be a little bit like stronger than a Reality, but we'll see. I went with a slightly different layout. I went with a 5.5-inch pin, a 4.5-inch mass bias, but only like a 1-inch buffer. So I just wanted to see something different. I've been feeling like the big balls have just been getting a little bit too smooth, a little bit chuggy. I heard this one was going to be a bit more motion down the lane, so I decided to try and lean into it, quicken the layout up a little bit. So we will see. We've got the house shot behind us. It's been used a little bit, Senior League, and then I bowled a game for another video. So hopefully you'll get to see how this ball is still in play. They might be a little tight down the lane for it, like, you know, burning up and then getting a little lazy, but we'll see. I've had some success with this one on the house shot, but I've also had a couple of times where I've used it where it's still been a little bit too strong. So I guess we'll see. Back at Highland Lanes, thanks again to them. It's a big ball on a house shot. I don't really have much to say about that first shot. I kind of threw a decent shot. It reacted nicely. Let's see. We'll keep striking. Once we stop, we'll start moving around the lane, see what we can get out of it. You maybe get to see a little bit of where it like excels and fails and all the rest of it. I was kind of surprised that one struck. Picked up a little early, but then it continued through it. Whereas I feel like in that scenario, Iron Max probably would have, like, if it had hit the pocket, it would have probably been a pretty flat 10. Playing that much shape on a house shot. See if we can throw a couple more good ones. You can see a little strong, a little lazy, got it in the puddle, whereas like a shinier ball there would have probably taken advantage of it. I understand that this isn't necessarily the perfect test. I find testing these really strong balls to be quite challenging, I'll be honest. Because when do you use them? Like, I don't really use them that much in league, but I know a lot of people are looking for balls for league. So of all the strong balls we have right now, that being Iron Max, Hyperdrive, Equinox Solid, what else? Alpha Crux. I think this is the best one for using on house shot. I'm not necessarily sure I would do it that often, but this is the one where I feel like I would have the best opportunity. Feel like it blends out that dry. You know, you get it there and it'll still continue. Whereas I feel like, especially Equinox Solid, when I really hammer it into the dry like that, like really get it to the dry, it really wants to get super forward. I don't find this one does quite as violently. It obviously still does, but not to the extent that it won't go through the pins. I think I think that's like the perfect spot for it right there, where I gently get it to the dry. I don't really throw it all the way over to the dry, and it can kind of pick up and then be blend out the wet dry on the pattern. I think it's fairly distinctive, the color as well, this white, purple, and gray. Moved in a little bit on that one, slowed down a little bit, still got through the pins. So, I mean, maybe I'm just on a good day, but front 7, feel like that's pretty good. Let's see what else we can do. Come on, let's see if we can finish this off. Front 8. There's Mark. He makes me look good doing the lanes. Moved in a little bit more again. Still came around the corner. This is good signs. Maybe I do need to use it a little bit more on the house shot. Who knows? I think it's trying to fight to get in the Nationals bag instead of the XL. I'm not sure it's going to win that fight right now, but it's definitely trying. Oh, baby. Got that one out there. And it's still got around the corner to get through for the front 9. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. Oh boy. Can't miss that far in the puddle. That's disappointing. That would have been a fun video to put together. Ah! All right, front 9. Then we got one a little too far in. Got a little greedy. Let's go back to the right spot for this. That's the spot. So, Viking Conquest. Pretty good introduction to me. Front 9, 277. I'll put when it's available, it'll be somewhere underneath here. I'm quite excited about this one because I haven't really loved the hyperdrive, and I need something like the Ion Max that isn't quite as lazy as the Ion Max for me. So I think this could be a good option. Obviously, it's early days yet, but Viking Conquest. A little cleaner than Ion Max, a little bit more downlane motion, certainly more downlane motion than the Alpha for me. Yeah, overall, this gets a thumbs up for now. Maybe I will do another review in a couple of weeks and see where it sits then. But right now, I am quite happy with this one. Like I say, more downlane motion than Ion Max, probably a little cleaner. Thanks for watching. I will see you around. Take care of yourselves. Bye now.